There, I'm recording some Golmud Railway night
At
map
night?
in the CTE. Yeah.
I'm gonna hop in a Helter chopper and fly it around. Let's see what happens. Oh shit. Okay, maybe not, because none of my settings are right.
Yeah. I don't really like my tank settings in here.
I wish I could see it.
Hang on,
I
I
guess
won't go
I'm gonna
nowhere.
I'm going to restart.
I think one thing I'm going to do is
Graphics
get
card.
rid of these fucking
Yeah, if
lights.
your graphics card took a dump on you, you're definitely gonna have to restart.
Yep.
Is it
Yeah.
like missing chunks of data?
Yeah. Yeah, when I pull up Chrome.
Yeah, mine was doing that. You're like missing
Okay.
like 1-inch blocks all over the place.
Yeah.
I'm going to go get
mine
you
was
right
doing
home, or
that for the
cheese.
longest time.
No, his mom's gonna drive me home.
Okay.
I had to revert back to an old
Driver set.
driver set.
I'll try one more time here.
This is kind of neat in some ways. I mean, night map, you know? It's
Yeah,
kind of
tanks have-
it's a night map.
Yeah, tanks have headlights and unfortunately
Tail lights.
rear lights.
Like you're on
What?
fucking convoy.
Tail
You're not
lights,
put
yeah.
this way, it's not the tactical tank setup I was used to in the U.S. Army. But I'm knocking down all the lights. It's fun.
Can you?
No,
shoot
you
the
can't shut
lights
off.
out?
Wait, maybe you can. I don't know. Oops, that wasn't it.
But look who it is.
User joined your channel.
With
What?
that old Cal.
Oh, it's yeah, Kel.
Whoa.
Hey guys.
Yeah. Howdy.
Who's this freaking guy?
Oh,
Hey,
how the
man.
heck are ya, man? You haven't been on in a long time.
Yeah. I'm not able to be on as much as I was, but I am on tonight.
Me too.
Yeah, very nice.
I haven't been here in a couple days either.
That's good, man. You need a break once in a while.
Yeah, no kidding.
It's okay. It's just been me and Beta. It's all good.
Yeah.
We'll hold the fort up.
Okay.
Who we have?
Hold it up, hold it down, whichever.
Alright. Let's see if it's
I'm a
gonna join this
140.
time.
I just opened a battle pack. I got 25, 25, 25, and 50.
Yeah.
Like, no kit, no nothing, just boost points. I'm a 140. Like, WTF, man.
My thoughts exactly.
Well, you'll need it whenever 150 comes out.
Oh, they'll have it, yeah. And the points you have between now and that time they do that won't count.
I do not
Me
like
and
this
Paul would
night
be a
map.
150 already.
We'd be a 160, 170. No, not really. I just got 140 recently. It wasn't really that long ago. I didn't use all the boosts and all that shit, so it took me longer. I used a 50 boost mostly, and that was it. Alright, I have a pretty good feeling now that I'm in a tank, I'm going to draw some fire and get killed pretty quickly. Probably by a guy with a 9mm pistol.
Are you playing, Paul?
Yeah?
Doesn't show you in game.
Oh, we're in the
doing
CTE.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Have you played the new map?
Yeah, but
Well,
how do
but-
I get into... I All right, I'll go into CTE.
Here, click this link. That'll get you right to it.
Wow, it's kind of cool. I've been recording it, so...
Is this the new map, the jungle map?
Yeah.
Yes.
User was moved out of your channel.
Oh, we got moved. Somebody's
Oh,
waiting
what
here
did
to
that
see
happen?
for me.
I want to be able to do that.
And now in stereo. Okay, so I can't join you guys doing that though. It just brings me to the CTE page. That's weird.
Yeah, but you should be able to hit play on the right hand side.
No, it didn't give me that.
Oh, you probably got to log in.
That's right. So dumb.
Well,
Wow, it's not bad, really. I mean, it's kind of fun. It's a change. I don't know if I would like it with 64 players. You know?
I had to update it. That's probably why it didn't show me.
Oh yeah, update.
I
CTE updates
really
more
don't
than
know
the vanilla
how I feel
game.
about this night map.
Well, let me tell you, the tanks having lights on them is a definite no-go for me.
The tanks
Tanks
lights
have
on them.
Yes, so they can
What
see
the
you coming from a mile away.
Oh,
Rear and
fuck
front
me.
headlights. Rear
Do
and
tanks
rear.
have headlights in real life?
Yeah, well they do, but they don't turn them on when they're in the field in combat.
Well, no, they use them when they're driving down the roads, right?
Right, right. When they're driving on a civilian road at night, yeah.
Non-battle atmosphere.
Right.
Fuck.
Yeah. When they're casual, you know.
But when you get out, they're still on, but they're nowhere near as bright when you get out.
The fuck was that?
I tried to shoot them out, but you can't shoot them out.
Oh, that was the
Holy shit,
MLRS.
I'm downloading at 6.5 megabytes a second.
Nowhere near what I was downloading at earlier.
I'll be right back.
You're at 100 now, aren't you?
I was downloading at 13.7 megabytes a second.
That would make sense because I'm at
User left your
6.25 and you're at 100 and I'm at 50, so that would make perfect sense.
Yep.
I can't find this dude now. Yeah.
I bet you won't do that again, Paul.
User joined your channel.
Do what?
Hey, I gotta
No, that
restart.
wasn't Paul.
What?
I gotta restart. So if you guys just stay put, TeamSpeak will reconnect you.
Okay.
Well, I won't do what again?
You'll be out for, I don't know, maybe less than a minute.
It wasn't you, Paul.
Oh, I see.
Go ahead, MacGyver.
Oh shit, dude.
Connection lost.
What happened to the connection? Oh, damn it. Oh, fuck. Oh, I hate this thing.
User entered your channel.
Where'd you go, Paul?
I didn't go anywhere.
When you left A, where'd you go?
I went after the MLRS.
The hell is that?
Multiple rocket launch system, MRLS. MLRS, something like that. I don't want anything to do with that objective.
Bacon, you played a little bit of the CTE.
Yeah, a little bit, not much. Me and Beta played a little bit.
Uh-oh, who's that? Oh, Chopper! Yes, Chopper. Get low, baby, get low. Get low, baby, get low. Where are you?
That's what she said.
User joined your channel.
I don't see it.
Hello, user.
Howdy doody.
Users joined your channel.
Ah!
Howdy doody.
What's your favorite of choice?
Damn it!
How is there a chopper in a night map?
I don't know, but I can't
Choppers
hit
can
it.
fly at night.
Damn it!
Has it got headlights too?
Yes.
Fucking sonar beacons?
I'm gonna die.
Shoot me down, please.
I know, me too. Alright, you bastard.
Night on Golmud.
I couldn't do
Yeah, I love
shit
that.
to that chopper. Fuck. All right, asshole.
Are you in, Cal?
Yeah, it does have headlights.
Yeah.
I gotta see this. See if I can join.
All right, let's get him, Kel. Oh shit! I jumped out. I'm sorry,
I
idiot.
thought I canceled this.
Idiot. I jumped out.
What'd you cancel?
Oh, on my keyboard, it tips my bird back.
Oh,
Oh, that's yeah. Oh, an AA. There was a chopper flying around, Kel. Watch it. I accidentally jumped out of your chopper. Unless you want to come get me, I could repair you.
I can come get you. I just
Alright,
I'm
I'm back
gonna
at the
change my
base.
settings first because it's really fucked.
Okay. Well, I don't see where the guy is. Oh, I don't have air radar. Nice.
Oh, that's why.
Well, you know what? I'm in an AA. I can support you from down here a little bit.